Hey, if you have the same problem that the screen touch is not working on your POCO X8 Pro, sometimes it is working, but sometimes it's just stucking and you cannot open, for example, some applications, you cannot switch screens. So how we can actually try to fix this? Well, first of all, you have to try with a reboot option. You have to use this button and this button. And let me show you how it actually works. Let's catch focus. Both buttons at the same time, you have to click and hold. And now we have to wait until the screen on the POCO X8 Pro goes completely black. As you can see now, when the screen is black, we can release, and now after a few moments it will turn on. And this is the easiest method that you can do for this one. But sometimes when it is not working, you can also try to connect a USB-C cable. Sometimes this simple process, connecting a charger, will also unfrost the screen. So that's how it looks. I hope you find it useful.